Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jane, the Paris Asian girl, and today I wanted to share with you 5 places where I like to go in Paris when it's a rainy day. Which happens quite often, especially during autumn and spring, but pretty much all year round, in fact. So there's going to be a movie theater, a massage salon, a hidden cafe, a museum, and a place for shopping. So if you're interested to see my favorite places, please keep on watching.
Il pleure dans mon cœur comme il pleut sur la ville. Quelle est cette langueur qui pénètre mon cœur? Ô bruit doux de la pluie par terre et sur les toits. Pour un cœur qui s'ennuie, ô le chant de la pluie. Another rainy day in Paris. But Paris wouldn't be Paris without its cloudy and rainy skies, would it? First, I'm taking you to my favorite cinema in Paris, which is located in le 13e arrondissement, the 13th district in the southeastern part of the city, next to the Quai de Seine. The 13th arrondissement is usually known as the Chinatown of Paris, but today that's not exactly where we are. We are in the new business district next to the Bibliothèque François Mitterrand, which is the French National Library, named after one of our former presidents of the 80s and 90s, François Mitterrand. In the evening, there are many food trucks just in front of the cinema, so it's very easy and convenient to eat something just before watching a movie or right after. There is also a bar à crêpes, a crepe bar, inside the theater if you want to try French crepes, and I must say they're quite good, which is not always the case in other touristic places in Paris.
Hi everyone, today I'm taking you to the cinema with me. We're going to see a French movie called Rock and Roll. It's about 2 famous French actors, which are Guillaume Canet and Marion Cotillard. And it's more about Guillaume Canet's story. It's about the fact that he used to be like a French, quite famous actor, and now he's aging, so he has not been doing so well. And he's in a 40s crisis kind of thing. It's a French comedy, and I hope that it's going to be nice.
I have an unlimited subscription to the MK2 and UGC cinemas, so I just print out my tickets with my card. Currently, there's a virtual reality attraction, which is a roller coaster tour with the raving rabbits, but I haven't tried it yet. And there is also a shop where you can buy DVDs, books, snacks, and even random gadgets. Another thing I like about this place is that you can enter the projection room whenever you want, of course after the previous screening is over, without having to queue in line or wait for someone to let you in. But the best part of this cinema is the seats. You can lift up the foldable armrests and snuggle into your partner's arms as if you were at home in your own sofa. I'm now taking you next to the famous Université de la Sorbonne, Sorbonne University in Paris, in a hidden cafe or tea house. It is located just above an old-fashioned movie theater, the Cinéma du Panthéon, but you can never guess it from the outside. Let's get inside, shall we? So here it is, the Salon, a nice cozy salon decorated by Catherine Deneuve, the iconic French actress, and Christian Sapet, a French interior designer. Everything in here makes you feel like you just entered someone's elegant house, from the leather couches and armchairs to the softened lit lamps and paintings on the walls. And there is even a little terrace in the back to catch the sunlight. The food is homemade and the cakes are really good for tea time too. Sorry, there was not much left by the time I was there. This is such a nice place to lounge and get cozy on a gloomy rainy day, or whenever you feel like taking a break after walking all day in Paris. Next, we're going shopping. The best Parisian spot for shopping is at the metro station Sèvres-Babylone on the line 12 of the metro.
Hey, I'm taking you to Le Bon Marché, which is a famous Parisian place to go for shopping. It inspired the French author Émile Zola in his novel Au Bonheur des Dames, so let's get into it.
Le Bon Marché also hosts seasonal art exhibitions, which is pretty cool. This one is all about quotations of random people, little sentences that have been heard from customers shopping at Le Bon Marché. Currently, Le Bon Marché also displays the work of the Japanese artist Chiharu Shiota, who is famous for her spectacular webs of threads installations linking abstract networks to the walls and ceilings. And if you want to take a tea time break, don't forget to stop by Rose Bakery and try its yummy cakes. We are now crossing the bridge to the second building of Le Bon Marché. Here we are at the home section. Another restaurant and tea salon in case you're still hungry. And we are now at La Grande Épicerie, which is the food section of the mall with every French delicacies you can dream of. There are also little counters if you want to grab a bite to eat or try French truffle specialties. And of course, you can't get out of there without trying some French pâtisserie. Now, I'm taking you to a massage salon. But not any salon. This one is actually a massage school where therapists can learn more techniques and styles of massages. The good part about this place? The price is really fair and the students are real-life therapists, not just apprentices. And because you have to fill out an evaluation form at the end of your massage, they usually try to give their best, which is not always the case in these price ranges. If you go with a friend, you each pay 35 euros instead of 40 if you're alone, which is quite a good deal for a 50-minute session. The massage is delivered in a room which is divided in several cabins, and they put on some nice relaxing music and dim off the lights so you can relax and enjoy the moment. Already finished. Each time I come out of this room, I feel so calm and serene. I love it. Then I just fill out this form, which take me like 2 minutes. Now my energy level is in full charge and I feel ready for the rest of my day. Until next time. Now, Paris wouldn't be Paris without its beautiful museums. I had to put this one in my rainy day list. I chose the Musée d'Orsay because it has some of the most beautiful and rich collections of European and French artists from the 19th to early 20th centuries, especially from the Impressionist period. But it's not as big and overwhelming as the Louvre. Also, this museum is installed in the former Orsay railway station, which was built for the Universal Exhibition in 1900. That's why it looks so much like a train station. It used to be one. I'll stop talking now and let you enjoy a sneak peek of all the masterpieces you can admire inside. I hope this little tour will encourage you to go and visit this museum for real this time.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and that you're going to try to go to these places next time you'll be in Paris. So if you do, please comment down below. Also, if you have an idea of a kind of video you want to see about Paris, please comment down below as well. And of course, if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are going to Paris on vacation maybe, and subscribe. See you later. À bientôt.